In this video, we have given that x and y are positive real numbers such that x cube plus y cube plus x plus y cube plus 30xy is equal to 2000. Then x plus y is equal to what? So we have x cube plus y cube plus x plus y cube plus 30xy is equal to 2000. And x plus y cube, it is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy times x plus y. So x cube plus y cube, it will be equal to x plus y cube minus 3xy times x plus y. So x cube plus y cube, it is x plus y cube minus 3xy times x plus y plus x plus y cube plus 30xy, it is equal to 2000. And x plus y cube plus x plus y cube, it will be 2 times x plus y cube minus 3xy times x plus y plus 30xy minus 2000, it is equal to 0. And now if we take x plus y is equal to t, then it will be 2t cube minus 3xy t plus 30xy minus 2000 is equal to 0. And it is 2t cube minus 2000 minus 3xyt plus 30xy is equal to 0. And here we can take 2 common, and it is t cube minus 1000. And here we can take minus 3xy common, and it will be t minus 10, that is equal to 0. And it is 2 times t cube minus 1000 is 10 cube minus 3xy times t minus 10, it is equal to 0. And a cube minus b cube, it is equal to a minus b times a square plus b square plus ab. So it is 2 times, and t cube minus 10 cube, it will be t minus 10 times t square plus 10 square will be 100 plus 10t minus 3xy times t minus 10 it is equal to 0, and we can take t minus 10 common, and it is 2 times t square plus 100 plus 10t minus 3xy, it is equal to 0, and it is t minus 10 times 2t square plus 200 plus 20t minus 3xy, it is equal to 0. So either t minus 10 will be equal to 0, that means t will be equal to 10, and t is x plus y, that is 10, or 2t square plus 200 plus 20t minus 3xy, it can be equal to 0, and it is 2 times t is x plus y square plus 200 plus 20, and t is x plus y minus 3xy, it is equal to 0, and it is 2 times x plus y square is x square plus y square plus 2xy plus 200 plus 20x plus 20y minus 3xy, it is equal to 0, and it is 2x square plus 2y square plus 4xy plus 200 plus 20x plus 20y minus 3xy is equal to 0, and it is 2x square plus 2y square and 4xy minus 3xy will be plus xy plus 200 plus 20x plus 20y, it is equal to 0, and x and y, they are positive real numbers. X and y, they are positive real numbers. So 2x square, it will be positive, 2y square will be positive, xy will be positive, 200 is positive, 20x will be positive, and 20y will be positive. So sum of all the positive term cannot be equal to 0. So x plus y is 10. It is 10.